Hello, dear children. It's time to board the story train with Deepjani ma'am. Are you ready? Here comes the story train, merrily, merrily chugging away. Chuk, 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 chuk. The story train is here again. Bang, chicky, chicky, bang, 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 yay. The story train is here again. Bang, chicky, chicky, bang, 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 yay. Come on, little children, say, do you want to go this way? Come on, little children, say, do you want to go this way? But which way? And where do we go? Now that you all have planted seeds which will soon grow into big plants, how about a story from the plant kingdom? So, for today's story, Deepjani ma'am will take you to a forest to meet a little pine tree, and that is the title of the story too. The Little Pine Tree. This story is adapted from an old German folk tale. To the woods we tiptoe and go, singing bang chicky bang bang ho. To the woods we tiptoe and go, singing bang chicky bang bang ho. Singing bang chicky bang bang ho. Singing bang chicky bang bang ho. Long, long time ago, in a big forest, lived a little pine tree. It had a strong trunk and lovely green pine needles. Now, pine trees do not have leaves like the other trees have. Their leaves look like needles. The pine tree's sweet pine smell filled the air in the forest. But the little pine tree was not happy. It always found the other trees more beautiful than itself. I don't like the way I look, said the little pine tree. There is nothing special about me. I am so ugly. How I long to have some golden leaves instead of these long needles. Then I would look beautiful. Can somebody grant my wish, please? The angel of the trees suddenly appeared, and seeing the unhappy pine tree, decided to grant its wish. She asked, if you could choose your leaves, what would it be? The pine tree at once replied, well, I would love to have some golden leaves. Can you turn my leaves into gold? The angel smiled and said, sure, I can. Next morning, the pine tree was surprised and happy to see its new sparkling golden leaves. It smiled and danced with glee. Bang chicky chicky bang 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 ho. Look at all my golden leaves glow. Bang chicky chicky bang 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 ho. Look at all my golden leaves glow. Bang chicky chicky bang 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 ho. Look at all my golden leaves glow. But its happiness was short-lived. Short-lived means not for long. Walking in the forest, a woodcutter suddenly spotted the shining leaves of the pine tree. Wow! Gorgeous! He plucked all the golden leaves one by one, leaving the tree sad and crying. Please, please don't pluck my leaves. No, no, stop. Oh, please don't pluck my beautiful leaves. Wiping its tears, the little pine tree called upon the angel again and requested her to give leaves of glass this time, so that they could make a sweet tinkling sound when the breeze blew. The pine tree's wish was granted immediately, and it sang with delight. Bang, chicky, chicky, bang, 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 hey, hear the sound my glass leaves make. Bang, chicky, chicky, bang, 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 hey, hear the sound my glass leaves make. But a strong wind blew, and all the glass leaves of the little pine tree fell and broke into tiny, tiny pieces. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! The sad little pine tree now requested the angel to give leaves that changed color. The angel warned the pine tree, "You'll soon lose your leaves once the autumn season is here." "Don't worry about that," said the pine tree. "I'll be able to keep my leaves safe." So, in came the autumn season. All the leaves of the trees began to change color, and so did the leaves of the little pine tree. The pine tree was very happy to see its bright orange, yellow, and red colored leaves. Gradually, all the trees in the forest began to lose their leaves except the little pine tree. It held on to its leaves and did not allow a single leaf to fall. Next came the winter season, and it started snowing. The little pine tree felt cold and weak and was unable to protect the leaves anymore. It started shedding its leaves one by one. The little pine tree now realized its mistake and said, "I never faced any problem when I had my long needle-like leaves. How I wish to have them back again." The angel smiled and granted this wish too. The little pine tree was happy to get its old self back and never ever thought of changing itself again. So children, we learned that we should be happy with what we have, because each one of us are special in our own way, isn't it? So think about all the things that you are good at, and I'm sure it'll make you smile. And we shall discuss about them in our next English class. Okay? So, bye-bye for now, and keep singing the happiness song. Bang, chicky, chicky, bang, 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 hey. Count the treasures of your goodness today. Bang, chicky, chicky, bang, 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 hey. Count the treasures of your goodness today. Smile and dance as you sing along. Bang, chicky, chicky, bang, bang, bang song. Smile and dance as you sing along. Bang, chicky, chicky, bang, bang, bang song. Bang, chicky, chicky, bang, bang, bang song.